Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly turn on and off the hazard lights on your Tesla Model Y. Unlike traditional cars, the Model Y uses a touchscreen interface, so the process is a little different. Don't worry, it's very simple once you know where to look. This tutorial covers all Model Y variants, standard, long range, and performance, as of January 2026. The hazard light control is a diamond-shaped icon with flashing arrows, located on the 15-inch touchscreen. You'll find it in the Quick Controls menu, which is usually accessible at the bottom of the main driving screen. It may also be visible directly on the main screen, depending on your Tesla's software configuration. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its location. To activate the hazard lights on your Tesla Model Y, simply tap the hazard light icon on the touchscreen. This diamond-shaped icon with flashing arrows is located in the Quick Controls menu. When you tap the icon, it will illuminate to confirm activation. The four-way flashers will then begin operating simultaneously. You should see all four hazard lights flashing in unison. This provides a clear signal to other drivers that you need caution or assistance. The hazard lights flash at a standard rate of approximately 1 to 2 times per second, complying with U.S. federal motor vehicle safety standards. Deactivating the hazard lights on your Tesla Model Y is just as straightforward as activating them. Simply tap the illuminated hazard light icon on the touchscreen again. The icon will turn off, and the hazard lights will immediately cease flashing. Tesla added a helpful feature in the V12.3 software update in mid-2025. If you're unsure about the hazard light location, you can trigger a quick tutorial overlay by holding the hazard light icon for 3 seconds. This will provide a visual guide on the touchscreen. From the driver's perspective, locate the hazard light icon on the touchscreen. Press and hold it for exactly 3 seconds to activate the tutorial overlay. Once held for 3 seconds, a visual tutorial overlay appears on the touchscreen, providing step-by-step guidance on how to activate the hazard lights. This overlay includes arrows and instructions to make it easy to understand. The hazard lights on the Tesla Model Y are fully integrated with the vehicle's systems. When activated, they automatically override the turn signals to ensure clear communication of distress. Tesla's emergency response features can automatically activate the hazard lights if the vehicle detects a crash or during autopilot disengagements in hazardous conditions. This integrated approach enhances safety by providing immediate visual alerts during emergencies, helping to prevent accidents and protect occupants. Be mindful of accidental activation, which can drain the high-voltage battery if left on for extended periods. Tesla added a confirmation prompt in a past software update to prevent this issue. Use hazard lights appropriately to signal distress or caution to other drivers. They are designed for emergency situations or when your vehicle poses a potential hazard. Do not use hazard lights while driving unless it's a genuine emergency. Using them during normal driving can confuse other drivers and may create safety risks. Remember these safety tips to use hazard lights responsibly in your Tesla Model Y. Proper use ensures safety for you and other road users. Tesla's software-defined approach means hazard light functionality can be updated over the air. Future trends include potential AI-driven auto-activation based on sensor data, integration with 5G for real-time hazard broadcasting to other Tesla vehicles. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.